Okay, so here I am at the Johnston Forest State Preserve, and there's squirrels everywhere and trees, and it's just a really neat forest here. It's got some really big trees. It's actually original old growth forest, and so right here is a big beech tree, and there's oak, mostly red oak and beech. So yeah, it's just a really neat place. You can hear the birds singing, and nice place for a little walk. Here's a hollow log. You think we'll find anything hiding in there? Nope. But that's pretty neat. I could almost fit in there, but I don't think I'm gonna try today. Just have a look at this massive oak tree. That is an amazingly huge tree. I wonder how old it is. Here's a nice little squirrel. Oh, disappeared. Here's the cutest little chipmunk ever. Busy eating his supper. This is a fascinating little shot here. I didn't say anything on it because I didn't want to scare him, but he's there burying nuts for later. I think they're burying beech nuts or some sort of nut. I didn't know they were ready this time of year. So then right after this, I'll show you a few pictures that I got, and I hope you enjoyed watching, and see you next time.